Alright, we're inside a 2018 Chevy Impala. This will also work for the 2016, 2017, and probably the 2019. We're going to show you how to get the shift knob into neutral without using any keys. So we're going to start by peeling this side panel out to the side, just like that. They're going to pop off with these little tabs right here. And then you're going to want to peel this carpeting back, and we're going to want to get right into there. So we're going to work this carpeting back. You're going to need something that you can get right in there with, preferably a flathead screwdriver. And if you see that white little plastic piece right there, you're going to want to apply pressure on it and then push it back towards the back seat. So we're just going to get right in there and then press it back just like that. And once you're applying pressure to that, go ahead and grab the knob and push back. Now you can move it back and forth and put it into neutral.
Now's the time to give us a big like, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos just like this. Comment. I really enjoy reading your comments. This is Eli with MyAirbags.com. Save time and money on your next project.